Guys, so real quick, we're going to show you how to fold a gi. This is my preferred way. There are several different ways to fold your gi. Hell, you could throw it in your bag, just crumple it up, and just boom, right there. But I have here my Atlas gi. This is a Fuji gi custom for or not my team, but the team I'm a part of. And I figure, since I'm putting this away right now, I'm just going to do a quick little video on how to fold your gi. So you guys can see a nice clean way to keep your gi stored if you're not using it all the time. I got about 10 different gis, so for me, not always using the same gi. Let's see. So get nice and flat. Doing this one, the bottom half first. You'll see why in a second. Nice flat. Flip it over. Just like that. Put that off to the side for a second. Here's your coat. So I'm going to try and get it nice and smooth if you can. Get all those little wrinkles out. If you wash anything inside out or with wrinkles, it's going to dry with wrinkles. So, just make sure you knock that stuff out, especially before you put your clothes away, before you put your gis away. It doesn't matter what it is. Just taking it, like grab the bottom and grab the top. Flip it over, make sure you got it nice and flat and even. Same thing. Just gonna put that down. Get a lint off if it's on there. Coat's gonna want to open up like doing that. Just gonna take your gi, try to fold it about a quarter of the way over the back. And take it just like that. I don't know if you guys can see it. There we go. Yep, right along there. Make it even as possible. You're going to take this, right? So this is folded over like this. Trying to get this as best I can for you guys. Alright, you're just going to take the sleeve of the gi and fold it straight down with the folded section up. Now, you just parallel that with the other side. Actually, I can take this now. See? Legs opening up. I like doing this on the ground. I don't normally do this on an elevated seat, but there's not a seat, but a dryer in this case. Just like so. Boom. Now, for those pants, take those. Now, I like to keep it nice and tight. So as you can see, this actually does not fit. So I'm going to shorten that up a little bit. And bam, you have your gi. All folded, nice and neat. You can go on a shelf, or if you have a bag, Still got my shit in it from jiu-jitsu. Hold up. Now, if you're picky like me, and you like things very clean, take that, wrap it around a couple times. You can put a knot in it if you want. Too special. Take the bag, drop it on in. Boom. Real simple. That's all I got for you. The only other thing I could note is cleaning them. I did an article on how to keep your gis clean. I'll probably include this video in there. So, real quick, since I'm doing that, this shit will get everything from blood to fucking protein stains out. No one should go into the gym smelling like sweat. I like using these. That actually, you can smell my gi. From where I'm standing, it fucking smells immaculate. And just to keep the fabric, tripping over clothes on the ground, but this keeps the fabric nice and conditioned, kind of like you would do with your hair. But I find these three to be amazing for keeping my gym clothes and everything in perfect condition. I've had some of my gis for over 4 or 6 years, or 4 or 5 years now. Not 6. I can't even remember when I started jiu-jitsu at this point. It's been a minute. And then I like to use the Febreze Sports Odor Defense. Because the reality is, a lot of regular detergents, they don't have like the strong degreasing power. And you end up with clothes that, or gis in this case, that still have sweat stains and all that good shit on there. But, yeah, that seems to be doing the trick and knocking it out of the ballpark, so I can't complain with it. If you guys have any other questions, any other comments, anything you think I missed, drop it in the comments below. And thank you for joining us. I hope you guys like and subscribe to the channel. I'm hoping to put out more YouTube content. I'm getting used to the whole filming thing and being on camera. But I think I'm getting there. So we'll cut the video here, and I hope you guys have a blessed day. Thank you.